Let's begin here, in this moment. Take a gentle pause from the day. We often believe that calm is a destination, a place we arrive at only when everything is perfectly arranged. When the house is quiet, the to-do list is finished, and the world outside is still. But what if that isn't true? Calm is not always dependent on perfect surroundings. Look around you. Notice the gentle disarray of a life being lived. The book left open, the cup waiting to be washed, the faint sounds from the world outside. These are not obstacles to peace. They are simply the texture of your present moment. There is no need to fix or change anything right now. Just be here, with it all. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Without changing a thing, just notice the gentle rhythm. A slow inhale, filling your lungs, and a soft exhale, letting it all go. Let's try one together. Breathe in, and now, breathe out. Feel the anchor of your own breath, a constant, steady presence. As you breathe, begin a gentle scan of your body. Notice your shoulders. Are they creeping up toward your ears? Let them drop. Feel the space you've created. Notice your jaw. Is it clenched? Allow it to soften. Let your hands rest easily, your fingers uncurling. This is a quiet act of letting go. Thoughts may arise, pulling your attention away. That's perfectly normal. Instead of fighting them, imagine them as clouds drifting across the sky of your mind. Acknowledge them without judgment, and then gently guide your focus back to your breath. They are just visitors passing through. Now, anchor yourself in this moment with one of your senses. Perhaps it's the sight of the light catching the dust in the air, or the sound of the quiet hum of the room. Maybe it's the feeling of the fabric beneath your fingertips. Choose one thing and notice it fully, without needing it to be anything else. This is the heart of the practice. Sometimes calm begins inwardly, even before circumstances improve. It's a quiet decision to meet yourself with kindness, right where you are. Inner calm can begin before outer change. It is a seed you plant within, nurtured by your own attention. You don't need a special cushion or a silent retreat. You only need this moment, this breath. Practice calm where you already are. In the line at the grocery store, waiting for the kettle to boil, or sitting in traffic. These small pauses are where your peace is built, breath by breath. This inner stillness is always available to you. It is your birthright. Return to it whenever you need. Let's
inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.